All right. Hello. How we doing? Good morning. How are you guys today? Everybody get a good night's sleep? No. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. Hello? Nope. Wait, what? How? How? No, you guys are trolling. You guys are trolling. There's no way. Hello? Hello? Okay. Alright. Okay. Dude, the rain looks so fucking nice. Oh man. Love the rain in the high rise. It just comes down like the fucking the like the windows. Like so sick. So cool. So cool. So cool. What the fuck? I'm about to day that I die. Crazy, I blew my challenge account, 25Ks. Oh shit. I passed another XFA yesterday. Well, last night before I slept, I took NQ longs. I took it with 9 minis on all my accounts. Um, you might be right, chat. You might be right. Hold on. 15-minute demand. Looks like it wants to go up. Lost 12 evos in 2 weeks. It's good, not gonna lie. This shit broke to the downside. I'm about it, I did it. Inside bar. Something like this, but that would be risky though. I wouldn't want to take that. Cause cause this shit is opening. I wouldn't want to take that though. Cause you got the 30-minute opening up. So it might. the law. I mean, I say long than short. Just depends. It just depends on the 30. I mean, we're so bearish right now. So we might get a pullback. This might be a pullback. This move right here might be a pullback for the shorts. So keep an eye. Yeah, create the top wick, hopefully here or here. These levels. So we have a 5 minute here. This is a 5 minute supply. And we also have a 1 minute supply right here. We also have a 15 minute supply. Wow, this looks really aggressive. Okay, that's a new 30. See, maybe we take a short from here, from this level right here. Yeah, we could have top ticked this, not gonna lie. Just be patient a little bit. Because, like, look. Let's see that. Yeah, see that? Wanna wait on these accounts are more like we don't have much in them, so this could be the retest. Okay. Okay, I'll try it with 3 right here. It's fine. I'm not even mad about it. Like I just want it to follow through. I'm not even mad about the sizing. That's fine. As long as it just falls through. I just want it to follow through and then just go to TP. Because it will give us 500 and extra. Give us 500 so we can take another trade. Like, I'm fine with that. As long as it just goes to TP, I'm okay. That's fine with me. No, I don't want to add. I don't want to add. That was not a good entry. I got a better entry on my XFA. I entered right here on my XFA. Selling pressure is very strong. I don't know why we're pushing back up. Guys, I literally took this from the fucking top, but I wasn't so confident in it to take it on these accounts. Come on. Don't do this. Okay, there's supply right here. That's so weird. With slippage too. Holy shit. $100 of slippage. Fuck me, bro. Oh, fucking retarded market, bro. This market is so fucking confusing. Dude, it's so confusing. Like, what the fuck, dude? What are we doing? What is this? The fuck is this? What's up with that? We're in a fucking generational downtrend. How did this fucking flip like this? This makes no fucking sense, bro. Like, it already broke a 2 down on the hourly. This makes no sense. Bro, what the fuck is this market condition? This is the most shitty, freaking garbage market condition I have ever fucking seen, bro. This is insane. Pure garbage. And it taps into that fucking supply, immediately just drops. Like, bro, what is the fucking point? Help me out here, please. What are we doing, GC? Just submit a ticket. I'm a ball till I day I die. Fucking zero, bro. Holy shit. Fucking mean rate this market condition, bro. This was fucking. It looked so nice for that fucking bearish move. It looked so nice for it. I think this is like the other day that we went longs and then it went shorts. You guys remember that day when it looked when the first trade that we took looked so nice for it, and then just the news just fucked it over? Just don't think it goes higher than this, but I don't know if I want to take it for shorts. Bro, fuck it. You live once. Who the fuck cares, bro? The accounts are getting blown, they're getting blown regardless. Life is short, bro. Just fucking do it. Who cares? It's okay. You live once, right? Fuck it. What do we gotta do? I really don't see this goes up anymore. I don't fucking know, bro. I don't know. It is what it is. Goes up. That's fine. Account is gone. Accounts are gone. We'll start the challenge again next next month. It's not good. It's not good. I don't like it anymore. I have a red folder. Yep. Your voice is low as fuck. Is this the last trade on the account? Probably. Most likely. I'm probably gonna get slipped and then it freaking fucks the account up. But this new hourly and the 4 hours coming to an end, so that's not the best here. This is not the best in our situation here. That's the shittiest situation we could be. This is the shittiest fucking situation we could be. What's up?
So, guys, I'm restarting the account again. I haven't gotten the money deposited yet, so I'll just use my account to trade. And that's it. But we'll see.
Just take this shit out. Should we take this out right now since we're break even and wait for the 4-hour open?
Not a bad idea.
Dude. Should we put a stop loss break even? Because I don't like this anymore. I mean, I do, but the 4 hour is gonna like. I don't want to just get fucking shit on by this 4 hour.
I'm surprised you took it right now, actually.
It just looked good, bro. It looked good off this 15-minute supply. I took it here, but this fucking news just fucking came out of nowhere and just took us out. Stupid. So stupid.
Let's see. Oh, it's a 3 bar on the 4 hour? What the fuck?
Yeah. Up. I'm retarded. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm actually stupid. I wanted the longs. Why did I take shorts? Why did I take shorts from the bottom?
That's what I was thinking.
What the fuck? Oh my, like, bro, this is insane. When you look at, it's like you forget, it's like you forget in an instant what you want to do. Because didn't we say we have a demand right here at the fucking bottom? Look at this. Didn't we say we have a demand on the bottom? We literally said we had a demand on the bottom. We want to take longs from that. Oh my god. Horrible decisions. Alright. I'm going straight back to stop loss. Straight back to break even, I mean. Horrible. Manifest it, Z? Bro, I'm gonna do reverse psychology on this bitch.
Oh, damn.
It was the nicest long I took from that, bro. Brother. What? What? Are you seeing something?
Yeah, the daily time frame we have, it's completely flipped, you know? We could basically get the push eventually towards the lows, maybe.
Well, I'm in them right now, and there's 7 points right now. So,
Yeah.
hey, if this cooks, if this cooks, hey, if this cooks, I'm gonna go in like because mentally I already lost the accounts. Okay, I already lost the accounts. But if this cooks, I am gonna go insane. Like, like just the meme that you guys send today, I go insane. I'm actually gonna size in so heavy on the next trade, like it's stupid. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Ooh, watch me. Watch me. Ooh, watch me. Alright. Alright, here's the open. Here's the open. Here's the open. This either fucking pumps up from here, taps into this demand, the 1 minute, and then pumps back up, breaks the highs. We could have top dicked it, bro. Oh my god, I'm just. I'm gonna unleash the demons inside of me, bro.
Oh no. Not the
I'm gonna,
demons.
I'm gonna literally unleash the demons. All right, Top Step account is in profits too. I have 100K express. And come on, dump, please, 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 no top wick, please, please, come on, more, 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 more. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, dump, 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 dump. Oh, this demand, this demand, this demand, this demand, this demand. This demando. Suchi, get your ass up here, bro. Stop lurking. You're gonna be like, I finished trading though. I took my, I'm locked out. I'm in the same trade. Oh shit. Get out and go longs, brother. At 8:10. Brother, I wanted to fucking top dick this. Look at this. Look. Look. Fucking fib demons, bro. Look at this. You see this shit? You see this fucking this shit? I had this shit marked out, but I didn't take it. Because I don't believe in those fib demons. But I should start believing in them, bro. It lines up. It lines up with that 15-minute supply that I have marked out. Fucking. I'm a bond and I die. All my bitches love me. Everybody's saying longs. Everybody and their moms is saying longs right now.
Yo, my interactive brokers, they need to fucking give me access to my shit, bro. Come on, gang. Does it not take this long, bro?
I'm in shorts, but I'm break even because it hit my 1-1 already. Yeah? Alright, dubs. We're break even too. But I'm telling you guys, if I book on this trade, I'm going stupid. I'm going insane on the next trade. On the next trade, I'm sizing heavy. I'm bringing those accounts back to life. Took it off the 5-minute break. That's not bad, yeah. It's good. I wanted to take off that retest right there. know what to believe anymore, bro. That news ain't doing shit. Good.
Looks like we can't trade options today. I'm not a trader. The contracts are not moving the best, so
Bro, my top step accounts, the express accounts, they have
yeah.
40% consistency. And then I can take payout in 3 days.
Oh shit. That's the ones with the 10K payout, right?
6.
6? I thought it was 10.
6. Cap out at 6.
Oh.
So you can make 12K on them and take 6K out. Why you're a gambler? I don't know. I just love gambling, gang. It's just hard for me not to gamble. Especially when I can sit at home and just do this for a living. Like, come on. Wouldn't you want to do the same, bro? Instead of having a boss above your head telling you what to do, like do this, do that, do this, wash the dishes, fix the drinks, fucking flip the burgers. Come on now. In the casino, are you betting on black or white? What? What do you mean black or white? Black or red, you mean? What kind of casino you go to? Oh, your candles are black and white? Yeah, blackjack all the way, bro. Blackjack or baccarat. Mostly blackjack, though. Indian casino. Roulette for kids. On God, bro. What's the point of spinning this shit and just watching for a number? Oh, my lucky number. Oh, 7 is my lucky number. 33, my lucky number. Shut up. No one gives a fuck. Grow up. Grow up. Nobody cares. Bro, this rain is looking fabulous right now. I'm about to let in. As long as my bitch don't. Is this a funded? Yeah, bro. They're 5 funded. 5 of them. Can't get comfortable, bro. This doesn't look like it wants to go down. Sun is down, freezing cold. Weird market day. Well, it's been like that for the past freaking I don't know how long.
Check out NQ. Oh my god, NQ's making a move.
Yeah, yesterday I posted it on TikTok story. I took like a trade on NQ with 9 minis on all my combine. All got away halfway past. All of them.
Okay.
I'm about to let it. Damn. Can we dump, bro? Imagine you get edged again. Hey, I mean, I'll imagine that for sure. Why wouldn't I imagine that?
GC, can we like move? Do something?
Tell him, Zuchi. Tell him.
Like, look at this. Look at this. We've been shopping in the range for. I can't lose. It's like 15 minutes. Oof. Because of the news. What news, bro?
This is
Federal Reserve Chair nominee Kevin Warsh testifies.
Don't
Yeah, I
shut
have
up.
no idea what that
Who the
means,
fuck
bro.
is that guy?
Oh God, it was that guy, and what is that? What does that even mean? I have no idea.
All right, we're making a move. We're making a move, Zuchi.
Yeah, I looked away for like. Holy shit,
Keep looking away, gang.
I just closed the tab. Shit. Let's look at it through your screen.
How the fuck?
I got stopped by 0.7 my stop loss. Well, I didn't even like. If you were gonna trail, you could have trailed to like the supply there, not by each candle, bro.
Yeah, bit. Let's go. I'm not gonna lie, Fib is good with supply and demand. I know. Tsuchi, did you see the fibs that I drew?
Yeah, it is.
Both times?
Perfect.
Bro, both fucking times. They were on point. I don't know why this move though. Bro, the news kind of fucked us over with this
I
news.
actually like. I didn't take my short on futures there, but I did take a short on Weeble there. It looks good for it, to be honest.
Yeah,
But
it looked really good for it.
tough.
And
I'm
then
so confused.
also, as soon as I joined in, somebody said 15-minute demand. I was like, oh yeah, you're right. And I looked, and I was like, right there. And then we broke the 4 hour to the downside. I was like, oh okay, we're gonna go up. But then somehow, in some magical world, my bias just changed out of nowhere, just magically.
Yeah. What was I gonna say? I was just waiting. I was just waiting to see, but I definitely have that 15-minute marked out. Bro, the first time we tapped into it, I was like, that's it. That's all we're gonna get. Like, I was like, what the fuck? Because it didn't really give like a proper entry. Wait, and then it ended up actually giving like a proper entry.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Just
Cook.
melt.
Please, bro. Just give this to me for the one time, gang. Let me size in with 10 micros on the next trade. Let me let my balls hang on this next trade, bro. On God, on God. Of course you're on. Of course. Of course. Yo, I'm on an insane 5-1 streak. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
So which
continue.
streak on what?
Huh?
Clash Royale? Or
Yeah.
Even 5-win streak?
Yeah, no, not trading. Oh, you saw what I posted yesterday?
When?
When I took NQ
Yeah.
short and NQ longs with 10 minis
Oh, yeah.
with 9. Bro, I got like I passed an account from that.
Yeah, those are evals on box.
Yes.
The 100Ks. Yeah.
Yeah, I passed an account with that. So I am actually in it in this trade. Oh, damn it.
I think Rookie responded to it. I remember seeing it. Well, they just trading NQ. I was like,
In another
thing is, NQ
Arabian.
moves like decent, but
You
my
just
bias
gotta,
will
bro.
forever just be longs, bro.
You just gotta find that move, bro.
Literally, like it just longs. Like if you like just enter on any pullback, bro, you'll probably make money. Like, that's why NQ's. It reminds me of when gold was at all time high. I usually just click buy whenever it like broke past like an equal high, or, like, and then it just flew up after.
And I love when they just give up, bro. Oh yes, GC, yes, GC, come on. Come on, GC. Come on, GC, do it to him. Do it to him.
Is it a fib level? Is this a fib level? No.
Bro, take the tower, bro. I don't want it. Take it. Actually,
No, I was actually gonna tell you that is usually that your TP is low of day, but I feel like if it breaks low of day, it might spike. Either that or it taps it and then just flies up.
bitch. Yeah. Yeah, give me them 3 crowns, gang.
I think it's actually correct. It's a long fib level. 705.
Yeah, that shit don't work.
Oh wow.
7.5 don't work.
Laying, you're just like AI to me.
This is where you want to be kind of watching out for this one, this level right here. The
Laying in
70
my mind just doesn't.
the 705, if we're like, if the buys are insane, if the buys are crazy, like it will just tap into and just fly. But I, here is it's the opposite right now, so I doubt it. So maybe just watch out from this level here. Watch I say that and it just fucking flies up.
Flies.
Yeah, I'll be pissed. Let's see Top Step. Top Step, I am up 600 on the account, on the Express account right now. My entry was bullshit. And I wanted, bro, the thing is, with my Top Step, can you guys see this? Yeah, you guys can see it. Okay, you see this right here, this level? I entered right here because I FOMO'd. I low-key FOMO'd, okay, in this. That's why my entry is so shit. I low-key FOMO'd in this, and then it went up. And I had a limit. I had a limit right here, a limit sell of 5. And then my stop loss was like above this high, so it would have stopped me out, but I was like, you know what? I'll just put it above the fib level. Tapped into it, and immediately just dropped. So.
Wait, Z, remember how you said the purple shit?
Yeah.
Okay, where do I put those?
At the spot where it's like there's purple.
At the spot where there's purple. What the hell?
Yes. Like there's purple around it. That spot there's purple around
Oh,
it.
it's the beginning, the front one. Oh, no, it's not. What the fuck?
I have now like 3 spots right now with this shit. But I don't have a good fucking card to put it in there. I'm a bomb till the day I die. I just have the balloon, but I'm not trying to fucking put that there. Shit is ass.
Momentum
This shit's
GC,
taking forever, bro.
one that we just had.
I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Is
Hello.
tooth back to gold right now.
What? Why you? Oh, you're such a hater, bro.
Yeah, they really said I go. Really?
Yo, Zuki, I have my last exam today. You wanna take it?
Yeah, sure, bro.
Is it because he's Asian?
Wait, what'd you
Is that why
what'd you
you're
do for
asking?
your birthday, bro?
Well, yeah, obviously.
Yeah, I'll take it for you, bro. But what'd you do for your birthday game?
Studied, bro.
Nice. Keep studying. Keep studying.
No more studying, bro. 12:30 and I'm done.
One GC spike down, please. Spike, bro.
Hey, can you pay me?
Can I pay you?
No, ZZ. ZZ, can you pay me?
Pay you what?
I need my paycheck for this week, bro.
Not now, bro. Fuck.
Bro. I'm a little broke right now.
Yeah, we like the rest of it.
Sounds like a you problem, gang. Stop spending your money on dumb shit.
You right. You right.
You remember, you get paid on the 5th of every month.
True. My fault. My fault, G.
New York session is patched.
No, Asia's patched.
This shit's moving so slow.
Bro, kill that motherfucker, bro.
Where's that
Holy,
break?
so annoying. Come on. Come on. Let me get these 3 towers, and then let me get TP. Come on, GC. Do it to him. Do it to him, GC. You're not fucking winning, idiot. Fuck out of here.
GC melt, GC melt.
Give me that tower, bitch. Alright. Zizi, let me see your fib settings, please. I want to take a screenshot. Got you.
It's almost there, ZZ.
Yo, we might win this time, Jay. J. J. G.
Jay?
G. 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 G.
Jay.
We might win this time, Jay.
Start saying random ass
Re-entry.
letters. I know there's someone in the
Somebody
comments
said
asking
re-entry,
it's
Z.
too late to enter right now.
I'm not gatekeeping the
enter.
fucking settings, bro. Come on. Come on. Please. Please tell me what you want, dude. Come on. Come
I
on.
mean, I could get my fib settings. I'm pretty sure I have Rayon's fib settings.
Come on. Come on. Do it to him. Do it to him, GC. Get edged again. I hate you, GC, you bitch. No, 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 no.
Yo, wait, actually, chill out. What the fuck are you doing?
Please, 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 please. Please, for the love of God, man.
Yo, why does GC do this?
I got edged on my Top Step account too. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna
Just give it a
actually,
sec.
bro, I'm gonna actually kill myself. What the fuck is this?
Let it breathe, let it breathe.
No way. I watched this movie yesterday. Okay, bro. Alright, fuck off. Fuck off. I'm a ball till I die. Where's my bitch? Come on, GC. Where's your TP, Zuchi?
Lucky it's like loading that, but
You gotta be careful, gang. You gotta be
Yeah.
careful, gang.
I hope that the daily just breaks to the bottom and spikes a little bit.
Just be careful. We have a 15-minute demand right here. That way might reverse.
I'm getting every single card that I don't fucking care about, bro.
I was basing my TP. My 770, that's pretty much just
Okay, let me get this fucking fibs out of here. Take this shit out. Let's bold this bitch a little bit so I can see it. Okay.
Do I move my stops down? TP down. Do I see this going lower?
Please, GC. Please.
Actually,
I see this. I mean,
ZZ, look at
What?
the 4 hour. Does that not look like it wants to go lower?
no.
You don't think so? You think it just breaks the 4 hour and then flips?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it flips. Cause look at the daily. The daily's a bullish.
Yeah, I saw that.
It breaks the top side.
Is it bullish? Yeah.
No, it's bullish, but like it broke to the top side. So we might have a retracement to that. Please.
Or the daily's better flip a 3.
Maybe.
That stops down.
Maybe. Come on. Please, DC. Please, man. Let us survive another day, bro.
Actually, I guess I should probably trim.
Oh my god. I need the max win, GC. Come on.
Yeah, I guess I'll try. Yeah.
Here it is. No? Here it is. This is it. This is
Bang.
it. This is it.
Bang, bang.
Bang,
has to be the
bang,
one.
bang. Together. Oh my god, no way, bro. No way. No
GG, I'm
fucking
catching
way.
up.
What do you mean you're catching up, bro? I'm catching strays right now from GC.
Clash. Oh,
Oh. Come on.
Yo, GC.
How the fuck are you catching up? I'm literally on a 10 win streak.
me too. I'm winning back to back, bro. I'm at 30 or I don't know what the fuck this is. 3,600 or 3,066. My bad. The fuck am I reading?
Yes.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't trade. I can't do math today.
Come on.
Break, 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 break,
Do it
break,
for
break, 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 break,
Got
break.
GC, stop playing, bro.
How did that take so much fucking damage from me, bro?
I'm not even looking at him. Care. Officially hit that. Or I just don't care what it does.
I do, gang. Fuck.
That's true. You
I
Dude,
care.
these accounts are they're
I
on
have-
the line.
I have 2 accounts and I have my personal account on the line too. Fuck.
I only have one account trading this. The other account's been locked out, unfortunately. Here comes Easy. Here comes full TP.
Do it to him, please.
Edging it again. Come on.
Yes!
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes! We survive another day, chat. We live to survive another day. Now, let's catch these demonic reversal, bro. Hold on.
Hell no. Come on. Watch this
I'm
move.
watching for a long entry. You're right.
Oh!
I'm taking longs off that dump.
What did I just say? Watch that shit.
I'm
Watch that
taking
shit.
longs
Move.
off that dump. I'm longs. I'm in longs. I'm in longs.
Hold on. I'm about to close my position. Come down a little lower, motherfucker. What the fuck are we doing?
What do you mean come down a little lower? What the fuck do you want it to come down to?
Okay, I closed my position. I'm getting so greedy. Yeah, I'm just saying, Zizi. It hit the 770. It just
GC longs price is at 477. What is this? 477.0.4. Stop loss is gonna be at.
Alright, we got 3 towers. Alright, we got 3 towers and we got 30 points on this trade. Let's go. Alright, now we're locked in.
down.
Okay.
Man, dude, fuck. Should've taken so many. Oh.
Chat, do we walk away with this? Should we enter? Do we walk away, chat, or do we enter?
I'm already in this shit.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
I'm up 6 points. It's almost at my TP. I'm just in a. I'm 20 micros in. 8.
What a close by your boy.
What the fuck?
Closed at a perfect time. Trip. Whoa.
I'm gonna
TP
take it
at
off this
47,
inside break.
86, 47, 86.
This flips. Okay, stop sending alerts because I'm gonna crash the fuck out. Alright, chat. Balls are hanging.
Hey ZZ,
Balls are hanging, chat.
the reversal king is back.
Boom.
That'd be generation.
Wallahi, this would be sick of a move.
This would be generation.
That's all I want. That's all I want, bro. Actually, I want lower here. Here. Because we got edge. There. That's all I want. Let's break this inside, boy. Come on, fly. Fly. You're over trading? Shut the fuck up.
Oh, is it not the second trade of the day? Oh no, it's the third.
I already lost, bro. I mentally already lost the account, so.
But until you have 2,000 back on them, that's when they're back.
That's when they're back. If I win this trade, we are so back. My ass if we're gonna win this trade, but it's okay. Let's see. Come on. I want to see it before we lose it. Oh, 6,000. 2, 3. Have 3 winning days too. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Don't do this shit. Zuchi might have been right.
Maybe, yeah. But I closed. I didn't like the way it broke. Or, I did like the way it broke, but it didn't continue that way. So, I closed. I'm happy.
Damn.
Yesterday.
Damn, chat.
My dad
Damn. How many winning days? 2 winning days right now.
Almost at my stop loss.
Fuck.
Alright, just gotta
Damn,
stop
I
out.
should have held. Fuck. I knew it. I knew it.
I had a feeling that we were gonna push back down. That's why I said the daily earlier, but that's fine. Bit of this is 11
62.
points.
Either way,
That's not
I'm
true.
locked out.
Okay.
I made my profit.
Gave a decent bounce, but did it hold?
Yeah, I was at so maybe I'm confident.
1,500 on that short, or 1,300 actually on that short. Holy dump. We're gonna come for that daily low now.
Yeah. For sure. Holy shit. Gold. What
It
the
Oh,
just-
it's
fuck?
frozen. Oh god.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I knew it. I fucking should have held. Fuck.
Oh
I'm
my
such a
god.
pussy, bro. Oh my god. Wow. Fuck. It really went for it. That was my unrealistic TP, by the way. Because it was unrealistic. I just. Fuck. So. This is just melting.
Do you think they'll keep
What's
shorting?
MQ doing?
I don't know.
MQ's also melting.
That talks, that's why, probably.
Good job, G. You cut the top, man.
Hmm?
You cut the top.
I really did cut this fucking top, bro. Wow. We should have stopped. We should have stopped. We should have stopped. We should have stopped. Oh. I was not expecting this to fucking play out low key.
Okay, how many points I missed? Yeah, I missed up like 30 points. Fucking- What a great move from GC, man. And it's still going. Holy
Crazy
fuck.
move is still dumping. That's insane.
Fuck, dude. Should have trailed instead of closing, but can't do anything there.
I really didn't think it would dump this hard.
Honestly, I thought it would only come from the daily low. I didn't think it would go this far past it.
This is a good entry for long, so it breaks a 3. Oh my god.
Just some gangster, bro.
Try it.
We are really oversold. Like, VWAP is so far. Those news, you chuds. What news, bro?
Yo, I'm running these guys over in Clash.
There's news right now? What do you mean? What news? Feds are talking? Fuck.
They're having a app session. Anybody has the link for it or no? Anyone? Ceasefire ends at 4:30. Oh shit. Here it is. Okay. Watch this shit.
How much would it be down? We're gonna get slipped, bro, so much if it stops us out. Cause it's gonna dump. Oh my god.
I think it goes back up a little.
Struggling, we're struggling. Come on. Fly, GC. Please. Fly. Fly.
Wait, you held that entire trade? No fucking.
No, I didn't. I re-entered.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, did it like stop you to like the tick?
No. Should demolish my shit. It's easy. Grabbed 1 second liquidity. All right, bro.
1 second, bro. I
Yeah,
hate looking at
it
the one
did.
second chart because it looks so like looks like a fucking music note.
Look, we did grab 1 second liquidity. We got edged. Should we just aim for the winning day and get the fuck out of here? I'm scared now. I'm scared.
You could try again tomorrow.
Yeah.
I don't want to keep trying, bro. I'm done. I'm tired of trying.
Okay, bro. Wait, meanwhile, why can't that dude? Lucid should make it so I could change my
Oh,
fucking
we're
name.
going up right now.
Please.
Yeah.
Please! I don't want to see no red candles, you see. Just go up like... Why don't you just go up with one candle, hit my TP, and just go back down? You can trade down. Like, can we make that deal? Please? Please? Forfa? Please? Migo? Drink till I'm drunk. Smoke till I'm high. Come on. Pain is weakness leaving the body. Go up, GC. Come on.
That was the only demand that held up, though. What the fuck? Just bouncing out of it now. That's so stupid.
Bro, it's not even holding up that good. It's gonna take forever to fucking go up.
Let's see.
I see shadows in my room. What the hell?
I'm 150 away from you, Z.
Stop, bro. Stop. Leave me alone. Let me be. How the fuck did you shuffle? Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. How the fuck did he just shuffle through those fucking skeletons again? Mother bucker. Give me that tower. Retarded.
I have a level 14 wizard. These motherfuckers don't got a chance.
Level 14 wizard?
Yeah.
Fucking hate the wizard.
And he's upgraded too. He's so annoying.
He is so annoying. This is the dumbest play you could have ever done, bro. Holy shit.
Mini P.E.K.K.A surviving all those shots, bro. Gold is going up. No, you whore.
Just focus on your game, bro. Don't focus on gold.
But yeah, isn't that what we want? The ZZ's in the long
We,
run.
we oh well, yeah. He's in there. Yeah. What
Damn,
is-
motherfucker, relax. Take it easy on my giant. Holy shit. He's just a chill guy, bro. You're not fucking winning, you idiot.
How do I check how many wins I've gotten?
No! Way, bro. No
How do I
way.
find what's it called? How do I find my match history?
You just click on your name.
It's on your name.
It'd be like a 3 lines thing. Like in like the main page. And it says activity log, I
Lines.
think.
Oh, battle log, yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 win streak so far.
Any updates on trade effects? Waitlist should be out next week. Just get one hit, bro. One hit, one hit. Oh, damn it. Oh my god, what the fuck, GC? Bro.
That's a 12 win streak.
Pissing me off.
Aw, Mika just gifted me a what's it called? A mini pick, I think. He gave me a ZZ.
Alright, bro.
Ah, what?
Put
You
the
don't like to
fries.
be bro, mini pick is strong. Yo, what do you mean?
Put the fries in the bag.
Mini P.E.K.K.A is strong.
Bro, the mini pick is strong.
Put the fries in the bag right now.
What do you mean? He's strong, bro. He's actually one of the best camps you could ever have.
Mm-hmm. I use them, I know, bro.
That's what I'm saying. It should be a compliment.
I guess.
Okay.
Okay.
Gold, just go up. Stop being a bitch, bro.
Gold, I'm just the girl, bro. Just give me my TP, bro. Please.
Just the girl's crazy.
Come on. Please.
Oh, this guy's a bitch.
Hell no, I'm not donating Musketeers. You're tripping.
Musketeers are even that good?
Yeah, bro. It's tough. Musketeer is tough.
So look, I'm gonna drop the mini picker right now.
That's not fair. I looked away.
He's so strong, bro.
How the
See, I didn't know you got that
what
strong.
the hell? What kind of fireball is that? That shit just demolished my shit. Alright, bro. This guy got some weird fucking objects. What the hell?
Objects. Objects. Objects.
What the fuck? Just saw this fucking mosquito have armor, bro. That shit zoomed. You know, like that.
Yes, it got one hit off. Like
Bro,
Royale feels like
that
moving,
ant
bro.
from solo leveling. You see how it travels so
Oh,
quick?
Arrow?
Yeah, bro. That shit, it was like that. Instant. Too late, bitch. Damn cannon. Bro, that GC, what the fuck, bro? Just leave me be, gang. Holy shit.
Fly high gold.
I mean, GC should realistically go up here.
Yeah, it has to. At least view out.
We are,
what
we
the
are yeah. at least
Why?
we got-
Bro, this fucking ant is zooming in my fucking field right now. What the fuck?
How much are you at? Let me see.
3,300.
Oh, I'm at 3,240.
Yeah, bro, you're just sweating. Fuck off.
Look at NQ. Let me see. Oh my god, NQ is dumping.
Oh my god, GC is dumping. Wow, GC, please. I'm sorry, GC. Wallahi, I know I should have closed, but what the fuck? What am I supposed to do, bro? I'm just a chill guy.
I'm just a chill guy. Fucking hate that meme so much. That meme's so stupid.
Just go up, bro.
Okay, boom. Bazooka.
Like, tell me, go. What do you got to lose if you go up right now? You got nothing to lose, bro. And I got everything to win. Please.
All I do is
And go up there.
He gave up. This guy just gave up. Bro, can you stop playing for a fucking minute so I could catch up? Hello?
Bro, tell GC to do something, then I will.
It's moving up. Look, you don't see it?
I do. I'm watching.
Good. So it's like, yeah. Big Pekka and Mini Pekka. Who's gonna win?
Yo, I got a legendary chest. Yo.
Oh, this guy's cooked.
I got a minor. I mean,
What?
Wait,
um,
what? You got a
no,
what?
no, 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 no.
What do you mean? No, no, no.
The minor, bro. Minor in the
A
game.
minor?
In the game, in the game.
Not a minor. That is crazy, dude.
No, bro. In the
He has a
game.
minor.
Fuck.
He has a minor.
Clipped.
You're repeating it sounds so bad.
No, the way that he was so excited. I got a
know,
minor,
he's-
bro. Yay! No, no, no.
Ooh. Which one should we get?
A minor, bro.
No, no, no. The electric wizard or the
Electric wizard.
the other one?
Probably the wizard.
The wizard?
I think the wizard's better, yeah. Or at least it's more like versatile. Sparky's kind of niche.
Damn, I have so many legendary cards now. So cool. What the fuck? Hell no. Card is ass.
Oh my god, this guy is getting fucked. Whoa, whoa, sir. Alright, you get this tower, but I get your main tower, bro. Yo, how
Sparky
many
is better.
motherfuckers is he dropping?
Sparky's better. Wait, where the fuck should I put the electric wizard now? In my shit. Fuck.
Oh, gold is flying.
Holy shit, gold, yeah, yeah.
Please, gold.
Going. Fly high, gold. Fly high.
Let me see how ZZ's going against this guy. Are you in a match or no, Z?
I'm going in a match right now. Oh my god, gold is flying.
Gold
Yes.
is flying.
This is my first time using the wizard.
ZZ has a minor. Fly, gold.
Okay.
ZZ got himself a minor. You better
Minor.
fly. That's celebration of the century. ZZ, I'm gonna get a sticker for your next car, but he has a minor.
Alright, gang.
I'm gonna just put it on your car. It's pretty chill. Think about it. Like people.
Bro,
like,
this
"Man,
guy's-
he's got a minor."
This fucking wizard is ass!
Bro, wizard is strong. My wizard is level 14, bro. He just
No,
be.
bro, I have
posting.
a legendary wizard gang.
Wait, hold in chat. Yeah, hold. Hold the longs. Hold the longs.
Bro.
Definitely hold on. Yeah. Like, it looks good for it. At least.
No,
at
like
least
actually, like longs is not gonna be bad at all. Longs is insane, bro.
Like, we are extremely oversold. I'll at least hold the B-Wrap.
You know how heated I would have been right now if it stopped me out on options just to fly back up? I would be full porting my account right now. Yo, how the fuck did you get a legendary card, my guy?
I just got a legendary chest somehow. Bro, the wizard is ass. Don't even get it.
Wow, he's sick.
literally dies in one hit.
To a P.E.K.K.A. That's you, bro. They got motion like that.
Bro, this fucking shit is annoying. Why does he keep dropping this little fucking minions? What is these pigs?
You need shit that would hit like multiple people, other than the Valkyrie.
I had the fucking
Wizard.
no, not the wizard. The other guy.
Oh,
You
I
know,
think you're fucked, bro. Double witch.
no. She's not doing shit.
That musketeer is strong. No one.
Kill it. Wizard, help you. Bro, this wizard is useless. Alright. Look at these archers. These archers are so tough.
I know. I use those archers. Good. Actually, sick. Almost back to 1500 Z. Oh shit.
Yeah. Yeah. No, wizard. Yes, kill the wizard.
He's fucked.
Okay,
What is
good.
that?
All right,
Yes.
good.
Oh, yeah, you're good. That tower's gone. Attack the
Woo.
little.
Let's go.
Oh,
Oh, it's overtime? What the fuck? I didn't even realize.
ooh, I got. What is that? Is that the miner?
You got the
I think I got
miner?
a miner too. Oh no, that's a hunter, bro.
Oh. Yeah, you don't move like me, gang.
Yeah, I don't got that much motion yet, bro. One day I will get underage kids.
You don't think I'm aiming for too much? I don't know. I don't think so. Wait,
That's a crazy.
that's
thing. How is
46
no one
points?
saying anything?
I'm talking about in the game, guys. In the
Oh,
game, in Clash Royale,
obviously,
yo.
bro.
Come on.
We are
No, I don't
electric,
like this
bro.
electric wizard bullshit.
Oh, that
Like-
hunter is low-key OP. I fuck with him.
I like my skeletons, bro.
What did I swap? Oh, I swapped him.
Why is everybody in a match? Holy shit, you sweats. The whole
Not
di-
you.
the whole Discord is
Hold this
like-
playing Clash while trading.
Yeah, I'm gonna be wanting Nika right now, actually. This is weird.
Now we're chilling, bro. I'm not saying anything crazy. Like, imagine if kids won, you know? That's amazing. Everybody wants kids.
Alright, bro,
Unless
I-
you don't want kids. I mean, that's true.
I just
Nika
love
deadass, I don't know how you're gonna defend this, bro.
I love this deck.
Hmm? You love this dick?
Yeah, bro. I can't like
just
I
saying
can't
whatever, bro.
I can't see myself
Why is
without
this
it.
the only signal his losing trade stuff what he said?
Because bro, life is hard, and when life is hard, I get hard, and when I get hard, everything is hard.
That Valkyrie is not getting a shot off, bro. My mini pick is stronger than that. He's gonna clap your cheeks, bro. Bang. Bro, keep dropping shit, bro. Keep dropping shit. You're good. You're fucked. Oh my god, that wasn't this strong.
That wizard like has no reason to fucking cost that much. Elixir
Yo,
too.
Nika, bro, that Skeleton King placement was actually FOMO as fuck, dude.
We're filming
the
in Clash
worst
Royale now.
Yeah, dude, he like placed his Skeleton King
Oh,
so poorly
fuck.
there.
You're not getting this fucking hog rider out of the way, no.
All right.
You don't like the hog rider?
We might be coke chat. Wow, bro. Fuck off.
Oh, what? He killed him? How dare.
Are we aiming for too much chat here? Or no?
That tower's gone. Oh my god, this guy with the fucking hog rider.
Alright, you're doing too much.
He's so annoying.
You're
And then he
just...
puts the fucking temple that Rayan has, the fucking goofy ass shit that just laser beams.
Temple?
Whatever the fuck that is, bro, it's just so annoying, so ass.
Give me that tower, baby gee. Baby gee.
Baby Gee?
Baby gee.
Like
Baby
Gee.
gee.
Gee's gas, bro. Gee's so good. It's better than oil.
We're
Oh my
flying!
god, look, is flying.
Come on, please, man. Ooh! Yes, bro. Yes, just clear these highs, please.
So back, bro.
Why can't we be just fucking patient? Why are we just like FOMOing and every shit? Like, if we could have been
Bro, I saw it
patient.
as like more like a wick, you know? It's gonna leave wick and I just jumped in.
Yeah, I just
I
jumped
should've
in
found a
because
way,
you
so.
jumped in, gang. Low
Alright,
key.
really?
Yeah. Oh shit! Look, see, I get another legendary chest. Look. Bro, I'm farming these legendary chests.
Why the fuck can't I not get it? Oh, I see. In the next arena, 3400, I can get that shit.
Yes, bro, you gotta, like, you don't fuck with the motion, bro. You don't know the motion.
Is it gone, bro? Oh, yep.
Run, run, dun, dun, run, dun, 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 run, dun, dun, run, dun, dun, run, dun, dun.
What in the sound effects is going on, bro? Yo, yo.
Bro, leave me alone, gang. I'm happy. Somehow.
A boom.
Kablow.
Blow.
Fuck. That was not a good play. That was not a good play. I repeat, I repeat, I repeat, I repeat. How the... Yo... Hold on.
Uh-huh. Tell us.
Fuck the wizard, bro. Oh my god, we're actually flying, champ.
I wish the market would just be.
I
this
just
good.
entered the live and late entry in the trade, and damn, bro, it's flying. Yeah, gang. We cut the shorts, like 30 points, and then. Yeah, I don't know. Those longs were kind of fucking FOMO, low key, not even gonna lie. The first longs. Damn, I still get your tower with those fucking moves? Oh, you're so ass.
Wait, what? You could evolve this bitch? Hold on. How the fuck can I evolve her? Plus $60,000 tokens. Fucking 14. Damn, I'm running low on gold. Holy.
How much gold do you have?
I have 60K now. I upgraded so much, bro.
Why are you still trying, bro? I literally destroyed 2 of your towers. Stop fucking trying. Can you explain the shorts? Supply zone off the 15-minute. Narrowed down to, I believe, the 5-minute. We tapped into it. We got a retest. We tapped into it the first time. We got the retest. It broke the highs and gave us a failed to up. And then I entered off of that. Simple but effective. Okay, donate this. I don't need that shit. Donate this. I don't need that shit. Wait, what? Oh, I just need one more game to win. Play with me? I got you, bro. I got you. Let me just get this legendary chest and I got you.
I just fucked on both of his towers. One move.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh, he gave up. You're at third, bro. Just can you just look at the gold trade, Z? It's coming back down a little bit.
I know. What the fuck am I supposed to do?
You should manage your
Back
position,
up.
bro.
You should push it back up.
Tell it to go back up, bro. Talk to it.
Yeah. Bro.
Fuck.
Oh, this guy dropped the level 9 wizard. Does not know the motion.
Fuck. Oh, that was a bad placement. God damn it.
Oh, you're fucked. No, let him get his third hit, bro.
I was about to say, there's no way. This is too OP if this fucker goes only for the tower.
Oh no, I just woke up the other tower. What the fuck? You're not getting that, bro.
Motherfucker.
Oh, he's fucked.
No, this guy is so annoying. This guy's so annoying.
Gold, what are we doing?
He really just tapped into that fucking supply and just decided to dump, dude. That's so annoying. Fuck you, dude.
Watch this live. He's actually speaking? Okay. If he's actually having a yap session, then maybe some point. You want to stream it, Z?
What am I streaming?
Look at the message that he sent.
Elsewhere in the Federal Reserve System, we've seen regional reserve banks use as platforms for promoting very divisive partisan policies. There I'm thinking about DEI, climate policy, even racial reparations.
Hey,
The
wait,
Minneapolis
I
Fed
need you to show me how to convert a Word doc to a PDF again.
Seriously?
amendment to a state constitution on education policy. How far beyond the remit can they get? In the 2020 Monetary Policy Review, the Fed even sought to redefine its legislative mandate of maximum employment as a broad-based and inclusive goal, close quote. I mean, that's tacitly understood to mean that the Fed should accept higher inflation to privilege select groups of Americans. And while the Fed undertook this social engineering, it also financially engineered a massive footprint in our market. QE provided near unlimited bid for government debt, which of course made it easy for us to subsidize more government debt here, subsidize government financing, and it encouraged, frankly, what I view as very reckless federal spending. In each of these examples, we see a clear pattern. The Fed has strayed beyond its core mandate to encroach upon policy decisions that ought to be left to those of us that are democratically accountable. Mr. Warsh, the Fed's own actions have eroded its credibility. What do you think should be done to regain public trust?
Senator, robust reform. The Fed can deliver on the mandate that you gave it if it sticks to its knitting. As it wanders into areas upon which it has neither authority or expertise, it loses its focus. I'll just give one example. In 2020, as you reference, when the Federal Reserve changed its inflation framework in August of 2020, inflation was running at around 1.72%. And the Fed changed its framework, rewrote in some sense the remit you gave it, and they asked for a little more inflation. They ended up with a lot more, and that was the foundation for the inflation surge that happened in the subsequent years, which we're still living with.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Warsh. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
All right, request.
Senator Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, Mr. Warsh. It's still morning. Let me start with this. I think you have said that you have confidence that this economy has potential. I think that's fair to say. And you've also said that this is a time of great consequence for the nation's economy, perhaps one of the most significant hinge points in a couple of generations. That's fair to say?
Yes, Senator.
Thank you. And so I agree with that. And I actually want to go a bit further because I think that it seems to me that this economy is amazing for rich people who have a lot of capital. And in fact, we can see in 2025, billionaire wealth grew 3 times faster than the average rate of the previous 5 years. And wealthy households hold a massive portion of the nation's wealth. And this, I think, is the tipping point that our economy actually faces right now. And I can tell you that in Minnesota, a lot of people are telling me that it is harder and harder for them to afford the basics. They aren't rich. They don't have enough money to pay their bills, to pay their doctor's bills. So I want to look at this with you for a few minutes, and I want to start with inflation. So last week, President Trump said that gas prices are, quote, not very high, and, quote, we're having some fake inflation because of the fuel. So understanding what you've been saying about data and measurement and all of that, let me just ask you, do you think that gas prices going up 20% is fake inflation?
What is the ID? Where do you get the ID from?
Senator, the gas prices, like beef prices, eggs, milk, and the rest, they move, and when they move in the wrong direction, the American people are hurting by it. There's no question about it.
That's right. American people feel it. It's
I hope
not
I get
fake
the
to
electric
them.
wizard,
It's money
bro,
that they don't
or
have
the
in their pocket
princess.
because gas
I want
is
the
up
princess, bro.
20%.
She's so tough.
I think my constituents would say that inflation
The-
is real. and
yes.
not fake.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so let's
yeah.
look at
That's tough.
unemployment.
The
At the
princess is so
State
tough,
of the
yeah.
Union, the president said, quote, the
I
economy
can't find the ID,
the
bro. I'm
roaring
new to this
economy-
shit.
Excuse me, this is the quote. The roaring
Where's-
economy is roaring like never before.
Below 90
So
EMA.
do you agree with that statement? Is that how you see the economy, that is roaring like
I mean, the only setup that it's good for right now
So,
is for
Senator,
move back
if I
up
can
into a
clarify
long.
two
That's
things.
the only
One,
thing that makes sense.
there's a
to be honest
difference
with you.
between the change in
Regardless of it
prices and
giving that,
inflation. The change in
replacement.
prices happen in a market economy. When inflation moves up, that's because the Fed had something to do with it. Now, on the state of the economy, I would say that the broad contours of the economy are improving. The potential of the economy, the real results of the economy are improving, but I think it can improve more. And I think in the years ahead, I think the economy's potential is strengthening.
So, you know, the reality is that the economic data, understanding what you're saying about economic data being not imperfect, there was almost zero job growth in 2025. And so that looks to me like not a roaring economy, it looks like a weak economy, which is what my constituents are telling me back in Minnesota. Let me go to one last look at this. Around the country, the average cost of home insurance rose 12% last year. Now, in my home state of Minnesota, not a coastal state, premiums rose 34% in 2025. This is, of course, caused by extreme weather events, floods, tornadoes, hurricanes, climate change. So is that
Can gold just move
inflationary
up, bro?
in your perspective? Is that increase in home insurance, property and casualty insurance, isn't that inflation?
So, sir, if I can answer two questions that I think I heard.
Did he
You
just
talked
call her,
about both
sir?
of these in your office. We look at the payroll numbers every month, and we ask ourselves whether it's good or
Savage,
bad.
bro.
What was
The job we gave to the Federal Reserve is to ensure we're at maximum sustainable employment. I think broadly speaking, the economy is running about close to full employment, though we never know what the right number is. So if Americans that want a job can find a job, then by the Fed's metric, we're at full employment. On the question of insurance premiums and the rest, when I look broadly across the economy, I would say when we look at healthcare, when we look at education, we look at housing, those prices have tended to go up more. In the less regulated parts of the economy, we've seen a downward structure, a downward change in prices, and we try to aggregate them the best we can.
But, so,
But-
not exactly sure what your point is there, but I would just say that my point here
She
is
just
that
froze,
rising
bro.
home insurance rates caused by increasing extreme weather events, climate change is another inflationary pressure that people in my state are dealing with. And this, of course, the reason I'm focusing on this is because I am, I'm worried that because of the pressure that you are going to be under from the president to lower interest rates, that this inflation
All right,
pressure
T.
on my constituents
Legendary, bro.
is going to get worse and not better. And so,
Bro, what
I don't
the
have time
fuck?
to
We
ask
got
my
the
last
Sparky.
question,
I
but
got
it
the
is
Sparky.
literally this. The president has said that he demands that the
She's
next
ass.
Fed chair will lower interest rates. And
This guy just gave up on life.
I take him at his word at that, and that is what caused.
Welcome to Canes. It's Luke Bryan. What can I get you? Today I'm
Welcome to
raising
Canes.
funds with
What the
Raising
fuck?
Canes.
How do you say welcome to
Thanks for
Canes?
appearing before this committee. Taking both
Yo, I wasn't looking. I was like, what the
questions
fuck?
and some
I swear, I was like, what the hell is bro
hostility.
talking about?
I
Welcome to
apologize
Canes.
for my colleague's behavior
I was like,
when
we're
it
not talking about
strays
something else.
outside of decorum.
Here.
Welcome to Canes.
My first question is about the balance sheet of the Fed. What is your view about the
Please show me.
size of the balance sheet currently?
Thank you, Senator. As we talked about in your office, the Fed balance sheet has played a particularly
What the fuck
I think,
is that?
unhelpful
Is that
role
cash out?
in
No.
helping the Fed achieve its dual mandate.
What is that?
Just
That's for
mentioned
Clash
what you
Royale.
described as the
Bro, why is this shit going back
increase in
down?
Financial assets relative to real assets. Well, part of that is the Federal Reserve. The Fed is not.
Were we aiming for
blameless
too high?
In that, as it's grown, the Fed's
Bro,
balance
that was
sheet
25
grown
points.
its,
Holy shit.
imprimatur on the economy. Those with financial assets have benefited from it. The reason why I prefer monetary policy to use interest
Oh,
rates as the
30
dominant force
to the 30.
is interest rates affect a far broader cross-section of the economy. Interest rates get in the cracks. If we were to cut rates, then broader number of people will benefit from it versus quantitative easing, which tends to move through financial assets first. Half of our fellow Americans don't own any financial assets, so they're wondering what's in it for them. Broadly speaking, Senator, on the balance sheet, I was involved in 2008 and 9 in response to the global financial crisis that Senator Warren referenced, and we used extraordinary measures and created a bigger balance sheet. But we agreed to do that only in the times of emergencies, only when interest rates were pinned to zero. The big balance sheet has become an ordinary recurring force, I think has been quite unhelpful, and is part of the reason why the Fed is in the business of politics. Slowly and deliberatively, I believe we need a smaller central bank balance sheet. It took us 18 years to create this big balance sheet that's done quite a bit of harm, it strikes me, to the Fed's credibility.
Damn, that fire pit, bro.
Working
What
with
the
the Treasury
fuck?
Secretary, we're going to have to find out a way in which we can take the balance sheet and make it smaller.
Why
Because
does
a
he sound
large
like he's about to
balance sheet
cry?
Where the Fed
It's
owns
chill, bro.
more,
We'll get you the balance sheet, bro.
outstanding
Relax.
debt
It's all
than
good.
parts of the financial markets.
We will get that
That's
balance
fiscal
sheet. I
policy
swear
in
on my life, I'll
disguise.
make that my
Fed
mission
needs
for the
to
rest
get
of my
out
life. Who
fiscal
is he?
business, focus on the monetary
Oh, bro, my
business,
bad. I swear,
so the Fed
wallahi,
can
I didn't know it
deliver
was
on
that
the
serious, bro.
remit you gave us.
Give him the
Damn.
balance
For
sheet,
that
gang.
response, because
I
some of us
swear I
don't
will. I swear to
appreciate
God.
the connection
He deserves the
between
balance
the
sheet,
size
guys.
of the Fed's balance
The
sheet
balance
and
sheet is
interest
important to him.
rates. With regard to interest rates, can you tell
Interest.
us a little bit about
Yes,
your
fly gold.
conversations
Interest.
with President Trump about interest rates?
Yes, fly up.
I don't want to put words in the president's mouth, but I think he
Oh,
has
put
said
it up his ass
loudly
then.
and clearly his view on interest rates. I don't think I'm breaking
He doesn't want to
any
put it in
rules
his
here.
mouth, bro.
But I can tell you what I said.
Yeah,
I
what did
said
you
to
say?
the
What did you say
president is
again?
what I've said to this committee and what I've frankly been writing about for more than a decade.
Just frankly, tell us.
Interest rates are
Yes.
the much better way to be using monetary policy than buying bonds and mortgages.
Who lied to you,
some
bro?
of which are issued
Bro,
from the United
what
States
the fuck
Treasury
did he just say?
Department. That is
Who
a
lied to you?
confusion of roles. That leads to a set of mission creep. So
This
interest
guy's
rates
talking
are
out his
dominant
ass, bro.
tool, and interest rates, as I mentioned, get in the cracks.
What
My
cracks?
broad view on the conduct
my
of
cracks
policy
now,
from
alright.
here is that
Pop
too
off, bro.
many Fed officials, past and present, opine in advance about where they think interest rates should be next meeting, next quarter, next year. I think that's quite unhelpful. As we've heard today from many of your colleagues,
Yay, I got me a
we
legendary
don't know
chest.
the
Oh,
state
no.
of AI. We
You
can't
did?
be certain about the state of
No, one more match.
geopolitics.
Are you
The economy is
serious?
going
You're
to
already
change.
at that level? What the
We need
fuck?
central bankers that are humble, that are nimble, that are
Bro's
open-minded,
gassing.
that can react when we have good data. When
I
events
haven't locked in
strike
yet.
us.
I was
My
just
broad
messing
view
around.
is that
And then-
interest rates
and I-
need to be
maybe cook-
forward-looking.
No,
need
I
to
think
be
we'll be
based
fine.
on better data, and we
think
should
the
have
longest
a
is fine,
big,
bro.
robust deliberation inside
Who's
the
bust?
FOMC.
Who's busting?
I tend to favor messier meetings than some, where people don't show up with rehearsed scripts, but we can have a good family fight. If the central
What is
bank
this guy
has that
talking
good
about?
family fight, I think that they're going
What
to
is
make
this guy
better
talking about?
decisions. And if they happen to make mistakes, they'll
A good
correct
family
them
fight, bro.
sooner. So I'm not one for
Erect them sooner.
deciding what interest rates should be. I never said to the president where I think rates should be. I never committed. So
Quick yes or no?
Quick
Do you
yes or
believe
no?
that digital
He's
assets
not gonna
should
answer
be
with yes and no. That's
incorporated into our financial industry.
She got bored
so
of him
Americans
talking.
have new investment
So, bro,
opportunities.
quick yes or no question.
Senator, digital assets are already part of the fabric of our financial services industry in the United States.
Ooh,
Yes.
yes, gold fly.
Senator Warnock. Thank you, Brother Chair. Mr. Warsh, congratulations on your nomination, and I appreciated our time together in my office a few weeks ago.
This guy's an
If
idiot.
confirmed, you will serve as chair.
you will serve as chair. He's gonna be a chair. He's gonna identify as a chair.
In the world.
Dobbs,
Don't you dare assume his
Decisions you
gender,
make
bro.
would move
bro.
markets,
The Senates are moving different
affect
this year.
Americans' retirement savings and ability to buy homes. It would influence the global economy. You currently serve as a lecturer at Stanford University.
You serve as
He's an
electric
electric chair
wizard.
right
If you were to decide
Electric wizard.
Electric chair right now. Soon he'll get promoted into beside chair.
Holy shit! Gold is dumping. We're fucked.
Senator,
No,
it was
I
good
think
to
you're
meet
fine.
with you in your office. You know, in modern academic institutions, they give everybody A's, so it's not a fair comparison. Especially at
Who's
elite
laughing?
universities, I know everyone gets perfect grades.
Well,
The entire room, I guess.
what grade would you give the economy?
Damn, they're
Well,
making
if
fun
I
of him
gave
that
a student
damn, bro.
anything
That's
other
crazy.
than an A,
Damn,
deemed
because he's
substitute
black, bro.
results
That's why.
hurt his self-image.
Damn.
Well, the Americans that I talk to, particularly
The Americans that I talk to is crazy.
who haven't had the benefit of attending some of these elite institutions, are trying
Period.
to make their lives work.
They're trying to make their lives better?
Kitchen
That's not
tables
happening,
Trying to figure out
We're in
power
America, bro. There's no way for you to make your life better in America, bro.
And regardless of how the markets are doing, consumer
Markets.
confidence is at a
Oh, there
Markets.
you go.
So
Okay.
that's their grade on the economy.
Yellow
Working
gold, fly high.
families are struggling,
Please.
and things are getting worse. The inflation rate
Yes.
remained
Please.
elevated.
Yeah,
Keep-
got
keep-
me legendary. It's fine, alright. What
keep
did I
s-
get? What did I get? What did I get?
Target rate
And
throughout
I
President
got
Trump's term,
a
despite his
fucking
promise to
minor.
lower
Pause.
inflation. The president's war in
You
Iraq
have a minor too?
has spiked energy
Yeah,
prices
that's
by
it.
Damn,
11%.
bro.
And Americans are paying on average nearly $4
We're
a
twinning,
gallon
twin.
of
We
gas
both have minors.
Yeah, I didn't
because
want.
of the war. We've lost
Yeah.
nearly 90,000.
Are you gonna use your minor today or no?
Since President Trump
No.
took office, he promised us a manufacturing boom.
Bombastic side eye.
Manufacturing jobs. And
And
already dealing
please
with
say
high
market
prices,
again.
paid $1,000 more per household.
Damn,
in
$1,000 more. That's
2025
crazy, bro.
as a direct
Yes, I got a
result
giant chest. Let's go.
illegal tariffs, which he
Where's
remains
the
committed
fuck?
to
Is that a?
in
Oh,
spite
I
of the
see.
Supreme
Damn, bro.
Court
What the hell?
decision. He does even better than this practice of
Practice makes perfect.
institutions. When asked what grade he would give the economy, he said an A.
He said an A.
It's actually A plus plus plus.
Okay.
Oh.
And as I
So it
thought
should have
about
been
his
A++.
answer, I was
Hey,
wondering,
telling me he's
who
pushing
is
it,
he
bro.
talking about?
You're pushing it.
Who is it?
Woo, 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 woo.
Certainly
What do you mean by
not,
that? Is it? Is it?
No, 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 no,
that I'm fighting for every single day. Maybe
no, 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 you naughty, naughty.
folks across the state of Georgia who are looking at their
Yo.
gas bill, looking at
Pause.
the $1,000 that they've had to pay would give the economy an A plus plus. What are your thoughts?
Senator, thank you.
Bro, he forgot what you said.
To
Why?
execute on a series
You
of
yap too much. How did these guys remember and answer the
economy
question?
can be stronger.
I don't even know.
believe,
I actually find it
inflation
impressive
can
that they
be
keep
lower,
track with the
and I believe
conversation. You
real
know, like that
take-home
on
pay
top.
Can be higher. I think the Fed is not blameless for the divergence
pretty
you
impressive, no?
describe between those that have financial assets
Yeah.
and those that don't. Had the balance sheet not been brought from
Like, I'm surprised they don't just zone out.
level when I
Like, wait,
showed
what'd
up
you
with
say?
Yeah, bro. I would have been like, what the fuck was the question again?
Bro, spent like 5 minutes asking the question. Like, what is it? What?
I'll just be like, I plead the fifth.
Say that one more time.
I plead the fifth right away.
Be better and the economy could be stronger.
Yeah, you discussed your theory of the case with me in that regard. But I think you would agree that
Bro, spit it out already, bro. Come on.
implicit in your testimony is the recognition that this
What
is
the
not
Oh, he's taking
a
tests.
plus
He's
plus
saying tests
economy.
like
In your
this.
economy,
Testosterone.
in your testimony, you note the importance of
Testosterone.
price
Testimony.
and correctly note that inflation means people lose purchasing
Why
power.
did you capitalize on the
particularly
testimony?
harming low-income folks. But I also
All right,
noticed
bro.
your
Take that tower,
testimony
bro. I don't give a
you
fuck.
discussed
I'll take your
the
tower.
Fed's other mandate, and that's to maximize
That's fine, bro.
employment. Inflation is critically important, but if you don't have a job, you're in trouble. Do you view the Fed's
I said you're
mandate for
unemployed.
maximizing employment as equally important to its price stability mandate? And are you concerned about weak job growth numbers?
Before the
Yeah,
comment
bitch,
answers
give me
the
them
question,
towers.
the senator from the elite university, Morehouse, is out of time. So appreciate the question. But we will
You say
have it
appreciate the
answered.
question, bro.
Submitted for the record.
I know you wanted to attend.
Well, repeat it one more time.
I'm sorry.
Everybody wants to attend Morehouse, by the way.
Bro, I would
but
be
was
rage baiting the
also
fuck out of
I
this guy,
appreciate
bro.
Very happy about that. You couldn't get into Charles Southern, but it's good you got in somewhere. This is good.
If you can't get into Morehouse, go to Stanford.
Alright, we're laughing too much. Let's get back to the point.
Everybody
Come on, let's get back to the point. Let's say market again. Or actually keep laughing. Gold is going
I
up.
want to emphasize that transparency and
Fuck.
accountability at the Fed are
Motherfuckers
absolutely
think some
vital.
shit's funny to
The
start
American
buying
people
gold.
need to have trust in our
Yo,
government.
why the fuck are you on my ass? Leave me alone, yo.
Includes transparency and accountability at the Fed. So when we're talking about
T, fuck off.
billions of dollars
Leave me
What-
alone.
what did I do?
spent on
What do you mean what you do?
renovations,
You're on my
it's
ass, bro. Leave me
absolutely
alone.
appropriate for Congress to ask
Coming.
questions, and it is absolutely appropriate for Congress to get answers. We need to
Wait, you're at
understand where the
35, what?
substantial amount
Oh,
of money
I'm above you
has
already.
gone,
No, you're
and
not.
we need to ensure that every institution,
You're at 35. How
including
much?
the Fed, is always making decisions that are
What's
in
it
the
called?
best interest of the American people.
World
And
Cups
so
are you
I
at?
urge
What?
everyone involved to make
What?
sure that any outstanding questions
How
on
many
this
points
matter,
are you at? What
come
are
to
you? Well,
fruition
it's your
so
level.
that we can get answers and move on
35
and
what?
have a smooth and timely transition.
What do you mean
and
35?
Anyone else
accomplish
certified
process,
dashboard not
of
updated?
which I
No,
want to
it's
say
updated.
congratulations on both your nomination,
Be
your
asking about your
willingness to be
trophies.
here today, and I also want to say that to your family.
How many trophies are you at?
I
Yeah.
think a lot of
Guess
people
what I just got,
miss the fact
bitch?
that when
What'd
any
you
of
just
us
get?
step
I
up
just
to
got
serve,
I got the princess.
No way.
Yes.
and
Love the
so
princess,
I just
bro.
want to say
Yes.
that
And I
sacrifice
pushed
is
to
something
level
that
11. Let's
we
go.
certainly appreciate your family being
That's
here
it, bro. My
today,
fucking wizard is
all
level
of
14.
you,
Hello.
and what you're
Bro, it's a
doing.
legendary card.
I had a chance to get to know you over the years,
Hello.
and as many of my Republican colleagues have, and other colleagues, and I think we would all say you are absolutely the right man for the job.
Whoa.
The right time.
Aww.
Whoa,
She
she's
wants
glazed.
some
She wants some dick,
She
bro.
wants some dick, bro.
We have had an opportunity to talk
She wants
about
you, bro.
a number of issues.
She want me.
Your integrity and that your commitment to the American people are going to help restore confidence at the Fed, and it will also ultimately serve our country incredibly well. So it's not going to be any easy task to return that confidence. We have spoken about needed reforms at the Fed on the monetary policy side and also the operational and internal standpoint as well. And of course, your calls.
Yeah, bro, she
for
wants you
reform
internal.
are baseless. You served at the Fed during one of the most
I
challenging
unlocked the
times.
giant
You just
skeleton.
referenced it in
More
your
mini
previous answer
skeletons.
to a question from my
Skeleton,
colleague
they're
across the
rockets.
aisle.
Wow. All
I
these
believe
shits
you
are
said it was a balance sheet, 800 billion when you showed up in 2006. So talk to
He
me
has
a little
800
bit.
billion?
Speak
Oh,
to
damn. No
me.
wonder
Speak
why
to
he's
me
glazing his
about
ass.
that, about what you have seen
Makes so much more
during
sense
your
now.
time and tenure at the Fed already, and
See,
then
guys,
what other life
gonna get the
experiences
girls
you
just to
have
make
that
money,
you
bro.
will bring as you tackle
That's
this
all you
role.
need.
So Senator, great to see you again.
Great to see you again.
That's
That's
Would you rather
wild.
have a gold digger's daughter, or would you rather have a
It's
gay
an
son?
honor to be here, and Senator, as you
What?
know,
What?
this
A
is
gold digging
this
daughter
is
or a gay
serious
son?
responsibility.
A gold digging daughter?
The president nominated me
For
for.
sure,
Yeah?
that one. What?
Yeah.
What about
This is a time
a
of consequence,
OnlyFans
not just
daughter
for the
or
country,
a
but for the
gay son?
central bank.
OnlyFans.
The central bank can go back to first principles.
OnlyFans
and
daughter
prove
still?
itself.
Yeah, bro.
I see
That's
most
great.
Because
of
she's
the
getting
actions
me
of the
money,
Fed
bro.
come from good
It's a win-win.
intentions.
She's not getting you
When
money.
we gave the Fed a
Yeah, so-
remit,
Having a
it
gay
wasn't
son, I'm just gonna
He
get
said,
flamed.
who is you?
I'm just
I'm
gonna
gonna
get
get
flamed,
flamed.
bro.
focus on particular issues and to not
I'm
want
good.
to. And that's the trade-off on independence. Independence about the conduct of monetary policy.
Yeah.
Where we can hear
I don't know,
criticisms
bro.
from others in the economics profession, elected officials.
I think
we should be open-minded to
on a
them.
realistic
Listen, I think there's
basis,
been
a gay
considerable
son
amount
would
of
be fine
groupthink
until
in
he
the
brings
economics
someone home.
profession.
I'm just like, what the
And
fuck?
so being
bro?
Nah, he's
open-minded
getting
to
like
it
his
is
shit
important.
railed through every
But
fucking
outside of
morning.
monetary
Yeah,
Oh,
policy,
hell
fuck
no.
no. Hell
that
no.
the central bank
Hell no. Yeah,
Hell no,
only
bro.
for his fucking daughter.
work
What
with
are
the
we talking?
government on areas of
Because I can look at my
overlap.
dog.
That's likely
Pause.
to happen going forward.
What?
What?
Ask Senator
What?
Biden about my
Yo, you
biggest
might
Big
wanna
pause,
lessons.
reword
Biggest
that,
yo.
lessons
bro.
are about how the
I
central bank
mean,
should be acting in
she's
crisis
selling
What you
it.
mean? I mean, yo.
She's selling it.
You are the reason why Middle East.
She's selling. I'm buying.
That's when the Fed needs to take extraordinary
That's
measures.
your
Going
daughter,
back to
bro.
the founding of the Fed in 1913.
She's not my daughter
to
anymore.
respond to shocks. And so there, I think central
She's
bankers
our
often
She's our daughter.
when the world is racing away from it, the real economy is suffering fast.
Yo.
The central bank should show up with liquidity support.
Liquidity sweep. Yes.
But the
Liquidity
job of the
support.
central bank is to
Liquidity,
try to
yes.
mitigate
Please, to the top side,
risks and
liquidity.
rates, to buy insurance so that we don't go from shock to shock, from
Bro, why are we
boom
buying
to
insurance?
bust. And so my criticism
Boom
is
to
more
bust?
about the conduct of monetary policy and regulatory policy in normal times. And that's the area that are in need of reform. We have a window.
Alright, this guy is
where
low-key
the
annoying.
economy is improving, but I would say more
To the
improvement is still
window.
possible. And it's during this policy that we need to look introspectively, look fundamentally at reform. So when there is another risk, there is another shock, the central bank is prepared to address it with less harm to the real economy.
Thank you so much. I am out of time. I look forward to your service to our nation, and I know that we will be in great hands.
Thank you, Senator Britt. Senator Kim.
Thank you, Chairman. Mr. Warsh, good to see you. I guess I just wanted to
just
start
moving
off
back
by
down,
talking
bro. What the
about
fuck?
just the state of American families right now. Nearly 60% of people surveyed say that they're worried about affording the very basics: rent, gas, groceries, the bills.
Groceries.
60% of Americans say that they cannot handle a $1,000 emergency. 40% of Americans
they're
say
just
that
broke,
they can't
gang.
handle a
You just gotta
$400
trade.
emergency. I wanted to ask, do you agree that the American
They are.
families
Send them to
are
Equinox traders,
struggling
bro.
right now?
Drop the
Guys, never drop our link for
Just
you.
drop the link.
Central bankers should not be second guessing what
crazy.
people feel and see in their own lives. People's lived experiences.
Next
matter.
reward, another golden
What I can
chest,
say
bro.
is the central
Legendary
bank has some
chest.
responsibility.
Let's go. What the fuck?
For the things that you've described.
What is it?
That the legacy of inflation.
Another win,
think
and I
is
get a
the
legendary
biggest
chest.
Economic policy error in 40 or 50 years.
Oh, I'm
happened
almost
just
there
a
too.
few years ago, and we're still living with the remnants of it. I think inflation is less problematic than it was a couple of years ago, but I would not.
But the
try
problem
to, I
of
would not try to
affordability
say,
continues.
Oh my god, that guy sounds
Why
like
does that sound
Eddie.
like Eddie? What the
Because
fuck?
That sounds like Eddie.
When I hear,
Bro, I thought that was
heard 2
Eddie.
months ago.
I was like, what the fuck is Eddie doing
saying,
there?
Quote, what word have you not heard over the last 2 weeks?
Yo, that sounds like Eddie.
Affordability. Because I've
That's
won.
Eddie in like that
I've
ass
won
5 years, bro.
Affordability.
What
It
the
sounds like
fuck?
you would disagree with that assessment that the fight for affordability for American
No, Eddie needs to put the fries in the bag.
I think the trend is going in the right direction.
But we still have more work to do.
Well, the way I would describe it, Senator, is the cumulative increase in prices starting in early 2020 till now is between 25 and 35%. So I understand what hardworking Americans say. It's still a struggle. That's a legacy of a past policy error.
One thing that you talked about before is about just the real cost that families are facing right now, and
I love
appreciate
using the
that
hot
you were
water,
pushing
bro.
back on
One
that
attack
comment
and
that
he's
the
good for it,
president had
bro.
about calling the energy prices and the fuel price increases that we're having fake inflation, because right now Americans have paid more than $8.4 billion more in gas during the first month of this war. Fertilizer, 70% of respondents to the Farm Bureau survey said that fertilizer is unable to be afforded right now, just given the price increases. Are you concerned that there could be real long-term effects of this war in Iran?
This is
especially
taking a
when we
fat
continue to
minute,
see
chat.
These challenges when it comes to fuel and fertilizer.
If my reform agenda, if confirmed, stands for anything, it's for the central bank, especially the Fed chairman, to stay in its lane.
I know that, but you
so I
also
wouldn't
have
want
to
to wander outside of it. I'm happy.
But you're also charged with forecasting in terms
Damn.
of understanding where our economy is going. So does an impact of that magnitude rise to something that the Fed should keep an eye on and be concerned about?
The Fed should have an open mind towards all sorts of data, but the things that central banks can affect are things that are not one-off in nature, but are persistent and find their way into the generalized price level.
And that's
that
something
would
I
be my
wanted to ask you about that, because you talked about a fundamental policy change when it comes to the Fed, and I guess I wanted to just get a little bit more clarity
Oh
on
shit,
that.
what the fuck is that?
Senator Lummis mentioned about the balance sheet.
You going for Z2,
and
you said?
concern you have about
Z,
that.
I'll pull up to Houston.
What level do you think
What?
the balance should be at? If it's 6.7 trillion now, where do you think the goal is?
What the fuck is that? That's the
I
gift?
haven't fixed a particular
That's your
Yeah.
gift?
but any
That's
changes
tough.
Period.
that are in the balance sheet would be
Put
part
that
of
in
the
the
public
conversation.
discussion, debated rigorously, and if and when the central bank
chillin'.
comes to a judgment about a new balance sheet policy, which I hope the central bank would, it would be described well in advance.
Where's
Like I
Eddie? Why is
mentioned,
Eddie not
it took
talking?
18 years to create this balance sheet problem, and we won't be able to fix it in 18 minutes. And so that's why I think deliberation here is important. But it suffices to say it should be smaller and at least as important. It should not be holding long-term treasury assets as if it's the fiscal authority. That's when it gets into politics.
I appreciate you saying that it's important to be able to have that public discussion. I mean, one thing that's come up as I've been engaged with different experts is concern about rapid reduction. If you are moving in that speed, it could generate a number of concerns, including upward pressure on long-term interest rates. So I guess I just wanted to check, do you share that concern? As you are thinking about how to reduce it, do you also understand, though, that there are concerns about rapid reduction and the speed with which you're trying to go down?
Yes, Senator, and that kind of regime change would have to be deliberate, well orchestrated, well choreographed, and well described, so that unnecessary upset are not done to financial markets as we go to a policy regime change much more focused on interest rates.
Interest.
Thank you, sir.
I think it's just waiting for news, to be honest with you. It's waiting for this news to wear out.
What the fuck is
The looks
that?
of it.
Ram Rider?
Talk about
The
inflation
fuck is
because
Ram Rider?
it's something that is incredibly important. I
He's like
do
the hog
share the
rider,
view that inflation
but
is
like
Is the wife of
like
the hog
sideways
rider.
tax on American households. Is that
just like throw some
accurate?
shit that like slows down
Senator,
enemies.
it's accurate. It's the most regressive
It's the wife of the hog
tax
rider.
that anyone in Washington could come up with. If you were trying to do the most harm, the least well off among us, inflation would be the way to do it.
Yeah, and my colleagues on the other side of the aisle have been talking about that.
Bro, this shit is taking
I
forever.
don't recall that they ever talked about that during the Biden administration. Because it was during the Biden administration that we saw this record inflation, this 40-year-old high inflation. And yet my Democrat colleagues were silent about it back then. Now they want to talk about it. But of course, American households were hurting back then as well. Inflation was caused by President Biden's reckless policies and reckless spending. Let's look at ARPA, a partisan bill that was passed by the Democrats, which cost taxpayers $1.9 trillion. When ARPA was passed in March of 2021, inflation was at 2.6%. Inflation quickly accelerated. It was over 5% by May, June, and July. By the end of the year, December, it was 7%. Does federal government spending have anything to do with inflation, Mr. Warsh?
Senator, as we talked about in your office, my view of inflation is a bit different from some. I don't think inflation comes about when the economy grows too much or hardworking Americans get an increase in their wages. I think inflation comes about when the government prints too much, by which I mean the central bank, and broadly speaking, the government spends too much.
And so we're spending too much money, and now we've been cleaning up their mess ever since. I will also note the Republicans have been taking efforts to reduce the deficit. I think year to date it's down about 10.6% from where it was last year. And this is why it's so
Please give me a
important
good
to
control.
control.
What the fuck is this?
Talked about the balance sheet.
Oh, Inferno Dragon. What the fuck,
One of the things
bro?
about the balance sheet is
We're doing
that
good,
I
though.
think if
What?
I hear you're saying it's too big. And it benefits
I want the
people
princess,
who have
bro.
financial assets.
Oh, he wants
But
the
if
baddie,
you don't have
bro.
financial assets, you haven't seen the benefit of a large balance sheet.
Damn, you're like, we're on the same level right now. Holy
It's
shit.
broadly accurate. The large balance sheet was created in the 2008 financial crisis. The agreement between my colleagues and I was that we would only use this in an emergency scenario because the transmission mechanism for a large balance sheet goes two ways, through signaling effects and through asset prices.
Signal
Now,
bots?
at the time of the financial crisis, financial asset prices were down 60 or 70%. And so it was understandable. Interest rates were at zero.
He's talking about taking
In the
signals,
ordinary
bro.
course, the central bank, independent body, should not be adopting a set of policies that have that kind of distributional consequence. That's why interest rates are a better way to be setting monetary policy.
So if I don't want to put words in your mouth, but just
Put words in his
Oh,
ass, bro.
he does want to put words in your mouth, bro.
that benefits maybe
He's
half
lying.
the American population. And then let's focus on interest rates and inflation so we can benefit all Americans. That if we take interest rates down, that benefits all
I'm gonna
Americans.
try
So
this
it gets into
Inferno
nooks and
Dragon, but I don't know if it's worth
That
it.
if we get inflation under control,
Is it
that
good?
how
Shit's
we benefit
ass.
all Americans.
His damage over
Besides the
time
balance sheet,
increases.
going benefits
So like
some
the longer he's like
Americans.
locked
What
onto
you're
him,
really about is trying to change
and
that.
it's used for like
Really
tanks.
benefited under the
It
last
melts golems,
administration.
It's like
giants.
People
anti-tank.
who have lots of money,
Yeah.
it's not just the last administration, the previous
Like
administration.
it's really
But you
bad
also
against like
want to
it's like a
make
bunch
sure
of
we get
targets like
off of the
goblins or
inflation.
some
I mean,
shit.
during the Biden administration, we saw 4 years in a row of declining real wages for American households.
No,
And
my
what you want to do is get that
princess.
inflation under control so that all American households benefit. Is that
Wait,
fair?
when do I get another chest?
That is fair.
And
I'm
two
going
more
to
matches?
paraphrase
Come on, bro.
former Chairman Paul Volcker, where he said something along the following lines. You would need to have a PhD from an elite institution to believe that inflation doesn't have something to do with money.
Okay, great. Real briefly, I've only got a few seconds left here, but I'm going to hit upon switch topics on you real briefly. Chairman Powell and Secretary Bissett met with leaders of our largest banks recently to talk about advanced AI models like Mythos from Anthropic to identify
Throbbing? Whoa.
vulnerabilities. It's apparently very
Who's
good at
throbbing?
finding those vulnerabilities. When confirmed, what will you do to modernize the Federal Reserve's internal risk assessments, tabletop or scenario planning exercises to ensure that we can anticipate and defend against the type of emerging risks that potentially models like Mythos could present if used in the wrong hands.
I have about 20 seconds.
20 seconds. Senator, a lot is the short answer. The 15-second answer beyond that is the pace of change in these technologies is accelerating. AI, which I think of really as American ingenuity, gives America a huge head start relative to
what?
our
That shit
competitors
is
around
Israeli,
the
bro. It's
world,
not American.
but it's not without real risks and real challenges.
The guys with the
A
caps, they made that
forward-looking,
shit.
reform-oriented central bank needs to be on the front end of it.
Great. Thank you very much. I look forward to your leadership.
Senator Gallego.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
How are you?
In a 2019 interview with Bloomberg, you said monetary policy is important not for the decision it makes, but for reasons it gives for the explanations. Mr. Warsh, the Federal Open Market Committees, or that the Fed sets U.S. monetary policy through interest rate decisions at those meetings, do you commit to maintaining the current practice of holding a meeting at least once every 8 weeks, yes or no?
Senator, by statute, as we talked about in your office, I believe the statute requires a minimum of 4 meetings, but 4 is not enough. So having more meetings than that is appropriate, but I've not even begun to look at the meeting schedules for 2027 and beyond, of course, subject to confirmation.
Okay. So then, do you commit to holding a press conference at least on the day of the
Yo, I'm on an
FOMC
insane winning
meetings?
streak.
Senator,
Z, what the fuck?
right
Just
now,
look at the
press
trade, bro.
conferences are held periodically.
Watch the trade, gang.
If you ask me my true personal opinion,
Yeah, exactly. Forget,
right
bro.
now, Fed chairs and other central bankers around the
ZZ
FOMC they
says
speak quite
trade,
frequently. There is no lack of transparency.
Just watch
But I
out,
would
bro. The
say
trade is
this,
important, dude.
I think truth-seeking is more important than repetition. And if
Absolutely.
one has a press conference, one wants to deliver some important news.
Perfect.
So
And
I
to
would
follow up on that, then, would you commit to taking questions at those press conferences?
If a press conference were held, I think it would be incumbent to hear what the reporters of the day had in mind.
Thank you. I'm glad, our personal meeting regarding this was very enlightening. Earlier today, you said to Senator Kennedy that President Trump never demanded you to cut interest rates in your job interview. Is that your sworn testimony?
That is, Senator.
Okay. Well, someone here is lying then, because it's either you or President Trump. Because in an interview with the Wall Street Journal of December 12th, President Trump confirmed that he pressed you on your commitment to support interest rates cuts.
Gold is definitely dumping.
During a 45-minute meeting with Warsh on Wednesday at the White House, the president pressed Warsh on whether he could trust him to support interest rate cuts if he were chosen to lead the central bank. According to people familiar with the meeting, Trump in the general interview confirmed that, repeating, Mr. Chairman, I'd like to enter for the record the Wall Street Journal article, December 12th. Trump says he's leaning towards Warsh or has it to lead the Fed. So, this brings up an issue of credibility at this point. Who's
He's
lying?
basically trying to
Is
get
it
the
you
signal, bro.
or the
He's
president?
saying, are we
The
long or are we
president
short?
did ask
This
you
guy. That's all he's
about
asking for.
interest rates.
Senator, there's
Well,
of
insider
course a
trading.
third alternative.
Basically.
You cite a couple of reporters for a leading financial newspaper. I recall reading that story at the time.
Did you issue a correction?
I think those reporters either need better sources or better journalistic standards.
You can tell he's lying, bro, already.
There are things in the newspapers
said,
that
"Oh,
I see all the
shit,
time
he
that
caught my
don't
ass."
strike my ear as correct.
So
Cool.
is, in your opinion, that the president then is lying when he said he did not ask you?
Damn.
I can only repeat to you, Senator, what I said to several of your colleagues.
So you did not. You right now, under sworn testimony, are saying just to right now that
Damn.
the president of the United States
Lied.
in that job and did not ask you to cut interest rates.
The
Damn.
president never asked me to commit to interest rate cuts at any particular meeting over the period of my.
He actually is
tenure
asking
at the
are we
Fed.
long or are we
He didn't
short?
ask for it. He didn't demand it.
He's asking
he
for
didn't
signal, I'm
require
telling
it,
you.
No, he
and nor
actually
would I have
is
ever
asking
done
for a
so.
signal.
So if these reporters come back and decide to do another follow-up on this and they confirm what they heard, what will your response be?
His response will be put the fries in the bag.
As I read that story in real time, I remember thinking they either need better journalistic standards or better sources.
So, here's my problem, Mr. Chair and colleagues. And Mr. Warsh, I think you're incredibly qualified. A lot of us are actually worried about the integrity of the Federal Reserve. We're worried about what this means for the economic markets, and we're worried about what this means for inflation. We're worried about your independence, and now we're hearing direct contradictions whether or not you were directly asked by the president to cut interest rates, and you're saying no, and he's saying yes. I think for a lot of us, there's a question now of credibility. And I think there's a real reason why many of us are not voting no. As a matter of fact, until you verbally spoke to Mr. Kennedy,
There's
and
no way that
this
shit hitting
question,
it
he did
from
not
here.
the president did not ask you to cut interest
What?
rates. This was not going to be brought up. So there's
He
definitely
threw
right
some
now
fucking
a
weird
true
ass shit at
question
me, bro.
about who is lying
Some
to
fucking
either
missile
you
shit.
or
Alright, I just
Some
got the
shooting
other
shit.
legendary chest.
Bro,
Senator,
what the
if I might
fuck?
respond. Thank you. I take
Yeah, I
my
got Magnum. I
responsibility
got Mega Knight.
in
What was Magnum? Mega
taking
Knight.
the Federal Reserve very seriously, if confirmed by this body.
Damn, I'm about to unlock
I
Arena
take
12.
the
Holy
integrity
shit.
of the office and my personal integrity
Damn.
very seriously, and
Low-key
I
sweating this
stand
bitch.
by
And
every
gold is
word
gonna
I've
come
said.
down and fuck
The
us.
president never asked me to commit to any such
I
thing,
don't
nor
think
would
gold
I
is
ever
coming
do so.
down.
Mr. Banks. No, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Governor Warsh, congrats on your nomination. As we spoke about during our meeting in my office, I strongly support your nomination and look forward to voting for you to be the next chairman of the Federal Reserve, and it can't happen soon enough. One policy area that we strongly agree on is the threat that China poses to America's economy. In fact, you've written
Okay,
publicly
please give me a fucking
that China is
good
deliberately
champ, bro.
positioning its
Speak out.
financial system
I
to
got
rival
another
the US
minor? There's no
nation
way I got another
and
minor.
actively working to elevate
Bro,
its
I know
currency
you
on
love
the global
minors, man.
stage. Can you talk for a minute about how the Federal Reserve reinforces the strength of the U.S. dollar
Bro, look at this
as the world's
gold, bro. Look at
reserve
gold.
currency in the
Fuck
face of that
me.
challenge?
Senator, it's great to see you again. We talked about some of these issues of the G2 rivalry, the rivalry between the U.S. and China in your office. If confirmed as chairman of the Federal Reserve, I will then have to say that it's the Treasury Secretary's business to talk about the dollar. It's the Fed chairman's business to talk about interest rates. But I think I can say this quite comfortably. The dollar is the linchpin of the global economy. The United States and the Federal Reserve is a beneficiary of the strength of the dollar. The U.S. financial system is the most important financial system in the world, and the central bank's been charged with really important responsibilities in overseeing it and supervising it. There are risks to the U.S. position in the world, including economic. The economic statecraft agenda led by Secretary Bessent and Secretary Rubio is an important one. On that, the Fed will play a supporting role in ensuring that the financial system is as safe as it can be, and work with them, because it's outside of the conduct of monetary policy, to ensure the U.S. is on its front foot and in a position of strength during this period of rivalry between the U.S. and another nation around the world.
What are some of those? I understand the role of the Treasury Department versus the Fed, but what are the most important steps the Fed can take to reinforce confidence in the U.S. dollar?
Deliver stable prices, Senator. Deliver an economy that improves from here even further, where real take-home pay moves up, where inflation falls, and the U.S. economic growth potential is the best in the world. I mentioned earlier, Senator, something that I really do believe. AI is a testament to American ingenuity. The United States is the best positioned country in the world to take advantage of it.
But we're
that the
back at
US
break
economy,
even.
US
This is actually
workers
fucking annoying.
benefit from it. That the U.S. is in a better position than anyone else, but it's filled with challenges, geopolitical challenges, technology challenges. So the sooner that we can hit the ground running on reform agenda, the better.
You wrote in an op-ed in 2021 in the Wall Street Journal that I recommend everyone reads. It's one of the reasons that I wholeheartedly support you, because
I gifted my husband these pants, and now he wears them everywhere. Meet mesh irons.
implicit goal
That's
of
crazy.
creating an alternative payment system that sidesteps U.S. sanctions. You've been very clear that China's not playing by the rules. China is buying over 80% of Iran's sanctioned oil in Chinese currency through Chinese banks, completely outside SWIFT. The Iranian government says it is charging ships to transit the Strait of Hormuz and collects payments via crypto and Chinese currency.
Via crypto.
What tools does the Federal Reserve have to defend the dollar's role as countries route payments through the Chinese financial systems?
Alright,
to
bro.
do
I'm gonna
business
hit this arena and that's it. I'm not gonna play anymore.
Thank you.
So you can do your thing.
We talked about before, monetary
I'm already
policy
done. I'm not
is
trying to play
independent.
anymore.
But outside of monetary policy, the
chilling
Federal
now.
Reserve can be working hand in hand with the rest of the government. The Federal Reserve is independent inside of government, not independent of government. What the U.S. can do with respect to the dollar is have a more robust payment system. The Fed has a number of payment systems that most financial participants in the world use. I would say they all are in need of substantial reform. There's a system called Fed Now, which some describe as Fed Yesterday. There's a series of new technologies that the Fed needs to oversee and needs to architect so that the payment system in the U.S. is the safest, most efficient, most capable in the world. Otherwise, we'll be losing to adversaries around the world in being the linchpin of the global economy.
Thank you. Your leadership is so important, and it's important right now. We need you on the job right now, not later, right now. So I look forward to voting for you quickly and seeing you confirmed and getting you on the job. With that, I yield back.
Thank you, sir. Senator Blunt Rochester.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Ranking Member Warren. Also, thank you, Mr. Wars, for taking the time also to meet with me earlier this week. I share many of the concerns of different committee members about us kind of putting the cart before the horse. And in one regard, it is the whole issue of independence of the Fed. And I know you have made commitments both in your testimony and here today with us in the process of watching the President try to fire Chairman Powell as well as Governor Lisa Cook. It really raises a lot of red flags for us. Even Justice Kavanaugh said that no president has fired a sitting governor in the 112-year history of the Fed, which was structured to be independent of day-to-day politics, and that it would weaken, if not shatter, the independence of the Federal Reserve. There are a lot of questions here today as well about both ethics and whether or not all the paperwork is in, and even Senator Warren's question about, selling of the assets and whether they would be transparent is something that's important, again, to ensure confidence. And so I shared some of those concerns with you in person when we met, and I share them here for the record. I did have a question. I want to focus on AI.
All right,
but
this
I
is
did
taking
have a
forever,
question
Z.
beforehand that I wanted to clarify.
Let's just, you want to
You
signal
mentioned
it
your
if it
desire
plays
for
out or not?
reform
It's
as
already
well as
11.
regulatory change at the Fed.
Got
Can
some
you-
things.
Could you just clarify, you didn't
Yeah.
mean removing
Or,
the regional bank
and if you want to stay on, I could
president's 5-year term.
skedaddle. Because I got
just
some
restated
meetings to take on,
and
guys.
re-upped in
But
Senator, I
Shit
have
is
a
if you
not.
guys have any questions, whatever.
So for
Huh?
the record, we're not looking at regime.
This is not moving. I didn't even alert this.
12-board
Whoa.
I want to jump to
taking
AI
forever,
because it's probably one of the number one issues.
Yeah, I
that
think the move
hear
already
from
happened.
Skedaddle.
former Secretary of Labor in Delaware.
I think the move already
This is
happened.
something that
So
I asked Chair Powell when he was here as well about. A lot has
Maybe.
happened in a year, and
yeah, I think that was a decent, not bad move. But if we sized in heavier on it, we'd
I
be
mean, I think
fine.
it still bounces up from here. We have a 4 hours demand right there. You see it?
Yeah.
We have that also on the hourly time frame, and then we have a nice 5-minute just right there too. So we have like multiple demand stacked over here. But what go for Asia?
That's it. I mean, I have to. Like I said, I don't care about these accounts anymore. It is what it is. What happens, whatever happens, happens. We'll try it again next time. But got my expresses, 1,000, and yes, as this guy said, I am gonna post profits because obviously I'm gonna post profits of my express account. So of course I'm gonna post profits. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I'll let you guys know if this hits. I mean, we're gonna stay in it, but we'll be back during Asia.
Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna go take a couple meetings before Asia opens back up, and then just have a good day, everybody. Don't overtrade. Don't take too many positions because it's not worth it. Won't be on for market open for Asia. I'll be on a little bit later on. Same with you, I would assume.
Yeah,
pretty much
be
market
like
open.
6:30, something like that. 6:30.
6:30 around that time is pretty solid. Around that time we'll get on trade with you guys, but for now we are both done. So thank you for being in here. I took one loss. Z, how many trades did you take?
I think I took 4. Maybe?
Took
1,
four?
2,
I think
3,
you took
4. 4. Wait.
4.
No, 3. 3. No, 3.
You
Yeah,
took
3
shorts,
trades.
shorts, longs.
I took
Longs
shorts,
is still floating right now.
shorts, and longs. Yeah. That's it.
All right. Yeah. So not the worst day, but see you guys back on for Asia. Take care, everyone.
Alright. Take care. Alright, YouTube. I'm done. That's pretty much it for me. I'll be back on tomorrow. We'll see you guys. Have a good day.